Come here.
Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels! I know.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually...
Give me a high five. Thanks.
Said behave. What do you mean no?
No! No!
Evet anneciğim. Nice, Ryan.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed.
Stop.
Why are you mad?
Excuse me? Excuse me?
How dare you?
What is wrong with that cat? He smells it.
Meso.
Poppy, 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 poppy. Stop, you're scaring me. You're my God, psycho.
I got you something.
Why do you...
Suspicious, don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious.
What have you been up to? What was that sound? Walter!
Ow.
Macaroni turns one. Ow.
Oh, you think I don't see it? You think I don't see the...
Hey.
What? No.
Him that much. Happy.
Where's the catnip?
For it until now.
Gary!
Osman.
Can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Wait.
What do you want? That was a good one. Where's the catnip?
To you too.
Percy!
Who's gonna make it?
Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
Are you good? Are you good, bro?
Happy birthday to you.
Lasagna's being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
Are you tired?
What can I get for you?
Wow. Wow. This is just wow.
Do it.
Zoe.
Let's find out.
god!
You can hear me. Oh my god! What the
One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
Don't ever fucking film me! I'm gonna kick the shit out of you!
Wait na.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. No. No.
What are you doing in here?
Ma'am.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Can you hold on? To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Meow!
What's that? What's that, brother?